Keto pizza, simply delicious, without the carbs. Crust, 4 eggs. 6 ounces. Shredded mozzarella or provolone. Topping, 3 tablespoons unsweetened tomato sauce 5 Oz. Shredded cheese 1 teaspoon dried oregano 1½ ounces. Pepperoni. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius. Crust, mix eggs and shredded cheese in a bowl. Use a spatula to spread the cheese and egg batter on parchment paper on a baking sheet. Bake for 15 minutes until the pizza crust turns golden. Remove and let cool for a minute or two. Increase the oven temperature to 450 degrees Fahrenheit 225 degrees Celsius. Spread tomato sauce on the crust and sprinkle oregano on top. Top with cheese and pepperoni. Bake for another 5 to 10 minutes or until golden brown. bit.ly.com/health4u123